Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change our Facebook profile link. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Facebook profile, and before I change my Facebook profile link, I'm going to show you my profile link, my current profile link. So this is my current profile link and I'm going to change it. If you want to change it, we can go to the Facebook setting. We just need to click on these three dots and you can go to the Meta Verified right here. Okay, and click on the profiles. Okay, and I'm going to select my Facebook profile, and here we can change our username. Click on the username option, and you can change your username or your profile link right here. Just read the description. Changing your username will also change your Facebook profile link, and I'm going to change it like this, for example. Okay, and now it's done. Then we just need to click on done. Alright, and just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. You have to wait until the process is complete. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to check it. Wait, I'm going to refresh it first. Okay, and now as you can see that my Facebook profile link has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change Facebook profile link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.